Afternoon, everyone. I've been out here messing around, trying to get this lumber moved around. We're gonna start on another chicken lot tomorrow. Just gotta get this stuff here moved. We'll get it all took apart. Well, some of it I'm gonna use for chicken house. This floor part here is gonna be the floor for the chicken houses in here and here. I'm gonna try to get everything together today, get everything I need worked up. This in here, I think I'm gonna make me a brooder for the baby chicks. For the small chicks, I'm gonna move this here over here, and I'm gonna try to get this brooder. Try to get enough room where I can get it in here somewhere or put it right in here. I ain't sure where I'm gonna put it. We gotta get all the, looks like it's gonna storm. I'm about over all the rain. I don't know about you all. Can't get nothing done. But the chickens are really liking their new lot. They like it pretty good. I'm gonna get this one fixed for them girls out yonder. I'm gonna move them out of there, out of the chicken house. Put them over here in this lot. Because I don't think, they need a little sunshine. And I'm gonna get them out of there. Then I'm gonna get them all broke up, separated. Get them where they're supposed to be. Different breeds. We got 4 different breeds, I think. Black Copper Moran, Easter Eggers, Olive Eggers. Then I got this in here. I come up, I crossbred this rooster here. We got him and that hen right there. I got 2 hens, I think. I'm sure, I think I got 2. But we're gonna get them separated. Get everything separated, get it to where we can know what we got. That way I can keep the eggs separated. We're getting about anywhere from 30 to 40 eggs a day. But they've been laying pretty good. And then we're gonna, whoops, sorry, cut my head off. Then we got this mess here I gotta get cleaned up. All this out here, this here, and this is another, this is the other pen like these. I'm gonna put it up tomorrow. I got all this stuff here I gotta move. I'm gonna move that little chicken house. Then we're gonna set us up a little thing right here where we have lives. We have a fire pit, but we got a fire pit. Well, that's what they call a fire pit, but got me a new wagon. Gorilla cart. Got that at Tractor Supply. I had this one here and overloaded it, and it's kind of collapsed on me. But I got all this stuff we got to get cleaned up. Try to clean all this area up and have my chickens over here. Then we're gonna have our little cooking thing here. Addie's in her pool.
I want to show you a trick, Papa.
Yeah. When the ground dries up enough, we're going to put some little gardens out around. But we'll go to Lowe's this evening and get some more lumber. But we're going to get her together. Trying to get my content straightened out. But it's work in progress. I know y'all probably get bored with my chickens and me, but that's what I do. We're gonna have guineas, ducks. She's wanting peacock, but I don't know about peacock. We'll get a couple goats, and cause we got all this outside the fence here. We can, it goes down to the road and all the way up, all the way over yonder. But we're wanting to get everything in a row here so we can start up there and just work our way down and feed and clean and eggs and different things. But gotta get another load of mulch tomorrow. I just want to get all this fence here tore out. We got a bunch of babies in this right now. We got babies in here. Little older babies here. These here are about 3 months old. Maybe 2. Probably 2 months old. We got quite a bit of the chicken house full. And we got all these on the ground. And we got some that's running around outside that they're laying over underneath the brooder box. I got some few clips of the video down when we was in Arkansas, down at the Arkansas River Valley meetup, homesteader meetup. We got a little bit of that. I got a bunch of videos. I ain't got edited it yet, but I'll get them out eventually. This here's gonna be uncut, unedited, but we just wanted to jump in here and see how everybody's doing. My shorts are doing better than my long videos. We're getting close to 10 minutes. I'm gonna cut it off here in a minute. But we just wanted to jump in here, tell you what's going on. We're gonna get it all figured out. And trying to get content that you all like. Y'all need to jump on there and leave me some comments. Tell me what y'all think. What you think about the chicken houses. But because everything would help. But it don't cost nothing to subscribe. It's all free. It don't cost you anything. Well, your time to watch, but I know some of my videos ain't been good enough to watch, but I get a few views. But I would appreciate it if y'all jump there and subscribe. Tell your friends and family. Hit that like button. And I love each and every one of you that's subscribed, all the viewers. If I could get all the viewers to subscribe, I'd be doing pretty good. But on some of the videos, on some of them I wouldn't be doing good at all. But we appreciate all of you. Hope to see you on this one. Jump in there and watch. I'm gonna try to get on some lives. Might try to do a live tomorrow night. But we're gonna get off here. We done been on here 10 minutes. Gonna make this short. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button. We'll catch all y'all later. We'll see you now. You hear?